Hey everyone, welcome back to our Apiguru channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Damien Thorn here. On this channel we share everything you need to know about APIs. Today I will explain CI/CD and how to configure it for Apigee. We will also cover best practices and tips for a seamless CI/CD experience. Let's get started. Let's break down continuous integration and continuous delivery. Continuous integration is the practice of merging code changes frequently and detecting issues early. By automating the build and test workflow whenever changes are made to the source code, CI helps ensure that code is always in a deployable state, allowing teams to identify and address problems promptly. And continuous delivery is the process of consistently and reliably releasing changes to production. It automates the deployment process across various environments, enabling teams to deliver new features, improvements, and fixes to users quickly and efficiently. Together, CI and CD facilitate a streamlined development process that enhances software quality and accelerates time to market. Here's a concise overview of continuous integration and delivery. Continuous integration involves creating a release candidate by integrating code changes frequently, ensuring that each integration is validated through automated builds and tests. And continuous delivery takes the release candidate and automates its deployment across multiple environments, enabling teams to swiftly and reliably deliver updates to production. Let's move on with Apigee. The Apigee UI offers an intuitive drag-and-drop graphical editor for proxy development, making it an excellent tool for learning how to create API proxies. With the Apigee UI, you can manually deploy proxies to any environment within your Apigee organization and test them using the trace tool. However, for enterprises and teams, it's essential to implement source code control and CI/CD practices for proxy development and deployment. Relying solely on the Apigee UI can lead to the risk of losing or overwriting revisions of your API proxy. Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to continuous integration and delivery. Each organization has unique requirements and workflows, meaning CI/CD setups can vary significantly. However, multiple strategies and configurations can be adopted to tailor CI/CD processes to fit your specific needs. When defining your CI/CD process, it's crucial to consider the needs of your API developers, operations teams, and security experts. Engaging these key stakeholders early in the planning phase ensures their requirements are met and helps facilitate a smoother implementation. CI/CD is vital for efficient software development, enabling teams to deliver high-quality software more rapidly. Configuration management ensures that environments and dependencies remain consistent across development and production, reducing discrepancies and potential issues. Continuous integration involves frequently merging code changes into a shared repository, supported by automated builds and tests that help identify issues early in development. Continuous testing automates testing throughout the pipeline, validating functionality and quality with every code change. Together, these practices streamline the development workflow, significantly enhancing speed, reliability, and overall software quality. Best practices for continuous integration are essential for optimizing the development process. First, maintaining a centralized code repository ensures effective collaboration and version control among team members. Automating the build process streamlines integration and reduces manual errors while incorporating self-testing builds, which allows teams to catch issues early and provide immediate feedback. Building every commit is essential, as this helps maintain continuous quality and integration throughout the development cycle. Additionally, keeping build fast enhances efficiency and reduces developer wait times. Testing in environments that closely mimic production ensures accurate assessments of performance and functionality. Finally, making the latest deliverables easily accessible fosters prompt feedback and encourages iterative improvements. By adopting these practices, teams can significantly enhance their continuous integration processes, leading to higher quality software and faster delivery. Many Apigee customers automate their CI/CD workflows, tailoring them to meet their needs. While using CI/CD is not mandatory, Apigee provides robust support through its Apigee API and various open-source tools, such as the Maven plugin, which streamlines the deployment of API proxies. I will guide you through each CI/CD process step and highlight the recommended tools for each stage. This will help you optimize your workflow and ensure a more efficient and effective API development and deployment experience. You can commit code to your repository directly from the Apigee UI or through your integrated development environment. In the Apigee UI, you can manually download an API proxy configuration bundle as a zip file. Choose the desired API proxy revision from the Revisions drop-down menu, then unzip the downloaded file into your source code repository. You can use your integrated development environment such as Visual Studio and appropriate plugins and extensions to write, deploy, and test your Apigee API proxies locally. With Visual Studio Code, you can develop and test your Apigee APIs and API proxies in a local environment using the Cloud Code extension. This integration streamlines your API development, testing, and deployment processes directly within the Visual Studio Code IDE. Cloud Code allows you to verify functionality through unit and manual testing using the Apigee emulator, which provides a local runtime environment. This feature is available exclusively for Apigee X and Apigee Hybrid users. You can use different tools to automate code integration, testing, and deployment, as well as generate reports to track build and test statuses. Many customers leveraging Jenkins, a powerful open-source automation server widely recognized for its flexibility and extensive plugin ecosystem. Let's explore the tools we recommend for conducting code quality analysis. We recommend using Spectral for automated quality analysis of your OpenAPI specifications. While Spectral is a versatile rule set engine for any JSON or YAML data, it is specifically tailored for OpenAPI, Async API, and JSON schema. By applying Spectral rules, you can enhance your API descriptions, enforce adherence to specific API style guide rules, and ensure best practices, such as maintaining consistent naming conventions for OpenAPI definitions or avoiding integers in URLs. Spectral is open source and seamlessly integrates with Stoplight, offering extensions for Visual Studio Code and other platforms, providing real-time feedback as you design your APIs. We recommend using Apigeelint for automated quality analysis of your Apigee proxy and shared flow bundles. This tool encourages API developers to adhere to best practices and avoid common anti-patterns. Additionally, Apigeelint supports executing custom plugins and rules, allowing for tailored quality checks to meet your specific requirements. In Visual Studio Code, you can enhance your development workflow by installing the Apigeelint for VS Code extension. This extension allows you to run Apigee directly within your IDE. This integration provides real-time feedback as you develop your Apigee proxies and shared flows, ensuring you consistently adhere to best practices throughout development. We recommend using ESLint for automated quality analysis of your custom JavaScript code and callouts, such as JavaScript policies. ESLint is a powerful static code analysis tool that identifies problematic patterns in your JavaScript code. Its highly configurable rules allow you to define and load custom rules tailored to your needs. ESLint effectively addresses code quality and coding style issues, helping you maintain clean, consistent, and efficient code. Let's explore our recommendations for running unit tests and conducting test coverage analysis. We recommend using Mocha for automated unit testing of your custom JavaScript code and callouts. Mocha is a robust testing framework that works seamlessly in Node.js and browser environments, making asynchronous testing straightforward and enjoyable. It executes tests serially, which enables flexible and accurate reporting while effectively mapping uncaught exceptions to the appropriate test cases. As an open source tool, Mocha is readily available on GitHub, making it an excellent choice for enhancing your testing workflow. Let's explore the various tools for deploying API bundles and publishing OpenAPI specifications to Apigee. This list offers a comprehensive overview of the available options. Let's go through each one in detail. Apache Maven is an open source build automation tool with 2 plugins for managing Apigee resources. The Apigee Deploy Maven plugin enables efficient management and deployment of Apigee proxies, while the Apigee Config Maven plugin allows for the management and deployment of Apigee configurations such as KVMs, caches, and target servers. The Apigee tool is an open source Node.js-based command line interface that facilitates retrieving and deploying API proxies, shared flows, API products, developers, apps, caches, KVMs, and target servers to Apigee Edge. Apigee is a command line tool designed to seamlessly interact with Apigee APIs supporting Apigee X and Apigee Hybrid. It enables you to manage various Apigee entities, such as proxies and products, by allowing operations like creating, retrieving, listing, updating, deleting, exporting, and importing. Additionally, Apigee simplifies the creation of service accounts in Google IAM, ensuring the smooth operation of the Apigee Hybrid runtime. The gcloud Apigee CLI is a powerful command line tool for managing Apigee resources and operations. It enables you to easily view and manage API proxies, create and oversee API products, and deploy or undeploy proxies. Additionally, you can access details about developers and applications, list environments and organizations, and manage third-party applications that call Apigee API proxies. This functionality streamlines leveraging Apigee's API management capabilities, enhancing your overall development workflow. Apigee APIs are Google APIs specifically designed for creating and managing Apigee resources such as proxies and shared flows. They facilitate comprehensive management of your API infrastructure and seamlessly integrate with the Google Terraform provider for infrastructure-related tasks. These APIs leverage Google IAM to manage permissions and enforce secure access controls. For enhanced security and optimal integration with CI/CD tools like Cloud Build or GitHub, it is recommended to use a service account with workload identity whenever possible. Apigee SAC is a versatile tool that wraps around the Maven plugins for Apigee X, Apigee Hybrid, and Apigee Edge. It can be used as a command line interface or within a build container, effectively streamlining API management tasks. SAC supports auto-generated manifests and enables direct deployment from GitHub, simplifying and automating the deployment and configuration of Apigee resources. This functionality enhances efficiency and ensures a smoother workflow for managing your API infrastructure. Let's explore the various tools available for conducting integration and performance tests. We recommend using Apigee for automated integration testing. Apigee is a REST API integration testing framework built on Cucumber.js, providing a Gherkin framework and a suite of utility functions to streamline API testing and reduce time consumption. Cucumber.js is a JavaScript and Node.js implementation of the behavior-driven development framework Cucumber. It utilizes Gherkin language to describe test scenarios in a clear BDD style, making writing and understanding tests easier. Let me take you through the list with the tools most used for API performance testing. Apache Bench is a command line tool originating from the Apache HTTP Server project, allowing users to quickly generate load against an API endpoint by adding basic parameters. Hey, it is designed to replace Apache Bench with additional capabilities for load testing. Apache JMeter is an open-source, pure Java application that tests functional behavior and measures performance. It was initially created for web applications but has since expanded to support various testing functions. However, due to its complexity, we recommend considering other tools that may offer a more user-friendly experience for your testing needs. Gatling, a Scala-based performance testing suite, offers flexibility through different layers of abstraction, from browser recording and a domain-specific language to full Scala programming capabilities. Fortio serves as Istio's load testing tool and can be used as a command line tool or Docker container, providing basic configuration parameters for generating HTTP or gRPC traffic. K6 is a scriptable load testing tool available as both open source and SaaS. While built on Go, K6 load tests are written in JavaScript and feature integrations with popular visualization tools. Locust, a Python-based load testing tool, primarily focuses on generating HTTP traffic and allows for script-based performance tests that can be executed headless or via a web UI. Finally, WRK is an HTTP benchmarking tool that generates load with precise control over the number of threads and open connections, supporting custom request generation and the response analytics through Lua script extensions. Choosing the right tool depends on your specific requirements, including ease of use, scripting capabilities, and the ability to integrate with your existing systems. By leveraging these tools, you can automate the entire continuous integration, deployment, and testing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and let me know what you think or if you have any questions in the comments. Look out for our next video about API testing, where we will share valuable strategies for building a successful quality assurance framework for your APIs. The comment section below contains links to all the tools mentioned in this video.